Please don't skip this video if you are going to write physics in this year JAMB. Yes. Or if you have a coursemate or friend who is going to write physics in this year JAMB, this video is for you. Yes. In today's video, we want to solve exam likely questions on the topic motion. If this is the first time of coming across our video, please do well to click the plus sign, like the video, share to your friends. Yes, this video you will learn a lot. Also, we have a YouTube channel. Yes, where we have posted a lot of academic content there that will help you in this year JAMB. Please promote our channel, show us some love. By what? Going to the YouTube and click Chydonns Daniel. Follow us on YouTube by clicking subscribe. It's free. Yes, just click subscribe to be part of our channel. It's free. We have 2 YouTube channels, Chydonns Daniel and the Chydonns Academy class. Please show us love. Promote our channel by going to our channel, click subscribe and share to your friends so that they will also click subscribe. Yes, let's see what to learn in this question. We will be solving many questions here. This is the first question, then we'll also solve another question. Yes, let's go to the first one. In the first question, it says, a palm fruit dropped to the ground from the top of a tree 45 meters tall. How long does it take to reach the ground? And you see the option. If you want to solve this, please remember the laws of motion. This is very easy. Once you remember the laws of motion, you are done. V equals to U plus or minus AT. Now, because we are talking about something being dropped from a top or something being thrown up. When something is being thrown up or something is falling from what? Top part of the earth, this A will be changed to what? G. So what we are saying is that if you are dropping something from a top or you are throwing something to atmosphere, what you need to do is that don't write A, just change it to G. It means we'll be talking about acceleration due to gravity, how it's being affected here. Then another equation you shouldn't forget is S equals to UT plus or minus GT what squared. Yes, these 2 equations are very, very important. Another one is V squared equals to U squared plus or minus 2AX. Just 3, this equation is very important. Now, how do you know when to use plus or minus? You use plus when it is falling from the top, and you use minus when it is moving against the gravity. When you are throwing something up, if I'm throwing this marker up, I will use V equals to U minus GT, or S equals to UT minus GT square, or V square equals to U square minus 2GS. Why? Because I'm throwing something against the gravity. Okay? But when I'm throwing something from the top, I will use plus sign. Now, they say a palm fruit dropped to the ground from the top. It means it's falling from the top. And so, the sign we will be using is what? Plus. Now, which of these 3 formulas are you to use? To know which to use, remember they said the distance is given. From the top, the distance covered is given. So, S is given to be 45 meters. So you need to write down the parameter given to you. Now they say calculate time. How long? How long means time? Obviously, here does not have S in his formula. And so we skip this. Then here has S, but it doesn't have T. And so we skip this. Then here has S and has T. It means this is the formula that will go. That is how you know the formula you are to use. Now, we now say that a palm fruit dropped to the ground. When you are throwing something from the top to the ground, it means that it will only have final velocity V. It will not have initial velocity. And so initial velocity will be 0. Time is what you are looking for. I will put it here. 45 equals to 0 times T, 0. Okay? Then G is noted to be what? Constant, 10 meter per second square. And so we now say 0 times t is 0. Then we only have plus. We say we are using plus because it is falling from the top. We will be using plus. That is s equals to what? Plus, because it's falling from the top. If you are throwing it against or throwing it to the up, you use minus because you are moving against the gravity. So we'll be having here 0 times this is 0, gt squared. That means this is half gt squared, please, not gt squared. Half gt squared. Okay, so what we'll be having is half times 10 times t squared. Divide this 5. You now have that. To make t squared subject of formula, 5 will divide this. It will give you 9 equals to t squared. Therefore, t will be equals to, removing power of 2 here, you have t. Square root of 9 is what we will take. Square root of 9 is what? 3 seconds. That means the answer is option A. Now, to solve question number 2, it says, what is the instantaneous velocity at time t equal 5 seconds of a particle if its acceleration given as a function of time is 3t squared plus 4? What you need to do here is ask yourself, what formulas do I know about acceleration? You say acceleration equals to v over t. Now, I want to tell you now, under the topic differentiation and integration from mathematics, you need to know that when you have a numerator and a denominator, what it implies is that for you to get acceleration, you have to differentiate v with respect to time. You get acceleration. Then, another term you shouldn't forget is opposite of differentiation, which is integration. How do we go about integration? Making v subject to formula, you have v equals to what? T times this, at. That means for differentiation, when you differentiate v with respect to time, you get this. But for this one, it doesn't have denominator, so to speak. What you need to do is I say integration of at gives you velocity. But this one that have denominator, you say differentiation of v with respect to time will give you what? Acceleration. So since acceleration is what is given, it means we have to integrate it with respect to time. Now question is, how do you integrate? Now to integrate this, you say add 1 to the power is already 2. Add 1 to the power, it becomes 2 plus 1, 3. You have 3t raised to power 3. 3t raised to power 3. Then what is the new power? You say the new power is 3. Now it means add 1 to the power, you have 3. All over the new power, 3. Then this is a constant, another number. Once you have a constant, because the letter we are seeing here is t, you have t, you attach t to that word constant. It means plus 4 what? T. So 3 will cancel 3, giving you t cubed plus 4t. Therefore, carry the power of 5. You have 3 divided 3, it will go back 3 raised to power 3 plus 40. That is equals to your v. Because we say when you integrate this, you have velocity. Therefore, velocity will be equals to, carry 5 and put here. 5 into what? 3 plus 4 bracket what? 5. That will be giving us 5 into 3 is 125. 4 times 5, 20. 125 plus 20 will be giving you 145. 145 meter per second. So that means option what? A. This one option A. Question 4.